Hey, good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here with Midwest Market Solutions. This is Market Insider TV. This is our opening commentary for Friday morning, November the 8th. Good morning, everyone. Let's take a look at our trading day ahead together. I'll be doing RFD TV this morning at 8:15 Central Time, talking about these markets on RFD channels. I think it's 345 on DirecTV. Also be doing Monday and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week. So that's our normal schedule for TV appearances. Of course, today is Supply and Demand Report Day. We've kind of had a big week with movement in the markets and all kinds of reports and information coming at us. So it'll be good, I think, to get this market information into the marketplace digested, and then we can trade weather in the U.S. and in South America once again. So overnight, the dollar is a little bit stronger here. We would expect the trend of the dollar to continue to move higher. We've had a couple day pullback, but we expect to strengthen that dollar to continue into the end of the year. Crude oil is down about $1 this morning, and the stock market has been mixed and two-sided. Currently, it's a little bit softer. It's had a huge week with a run-up on the election and follow through the last couple days, and could see a little bit of a correction, a little bit of a setback going into the weekend. Gold and silver slightly firmer, and corn's posting new highs here this morning, up 1 3/4, while soybeans are down 4 cents, and wheat a penny higher in Chicago, Kansas City down 2 3/4 cents in the overnight markets. All right, let's get into it here and start talking about what we have on tap, and make sure you follow us on Twitter. Midwest Markets, Brian Hoops. Especially today with the supply and demand report coming out, our text service is also at our website where you can sign up a free text service, get market quotes and market information sent your way. All right, first thing here is check of South American weather. For Brazil, it's nearly ideal. There is parts of Paraguay that's becoming drier than desired, and there is rains in the forecast, so it doesn't expect to be long-term dryness. U.S. hard red wheat areas receiving the best rain since last spring, and we're going to see conditions continuing to improve. We'll see a little bit of rain this weekend, and then we'll start to see even more rain next week, and that rain I think will be very beneficial to this crop as we go through the month of November into dormancy here. CME Group FedWatch has a 71% chance of a quarter-point rate cut and a 28.7% chance of no cut at the next Fed meeting. So yesterday's Fed meeting, no surprise, quarter-point cut, and right now the odds are pretty high, at least 2/3 of a chance that we'll see another quarter-point cut in the next meeting, which is in 40 days. Argentina's soybean planting, 12% done, slightly ahead of average. Corn planting, 34% done. That's right ahead of the normal pace. So any concerns about delayed plantings in Argentina or in Brazil for that matter pretty much have gone to the wayside now with good growing conditions, good moisture profiles helping this market out. So we're back to normal in South America, and that probably is going to equal a very large crop of soybeans especially. Supply and demand report comes out today at 11. Average yield for corn is down slightly from last month, and carryout expected to be at least 50 million less than a month ago. And it could even be more than that if the USDA decides to increase exports by 50, maybe 75 million, and increase the ethanol demand. That's another thing that could be increased here and even tighten up the balance sheets even further for corn. Soybean yield estimates down slightly from last month. Carryout expected to be down as well. I'm not confident the USDA lowers this carryout as much as what the trade is expecting. I think we could go the other way today or in future reports, especially if some of this export business that we've seen here recently ends up being canceled. The one final thing on the corn, last 3 years in a row, the USDA has raised yields from the October to the November report. Box beef. A lot of times we don't talk about this on a slide in our commentary, but look how much it was lower yesterday afternoon. 613 lower choice. Select is down 348. Volume was 179 loads. I don't think there's any way we can ignore this huge drop in box beef with today's trade. I think we will see some lower prices right out of the gate. No cash cattle trade yet. We're starting to hear a little bit of bid ask in the country. Not much in the southern plains yet. But we're seeing bids in Nebraska at 186 and 292 on a dress basis. And carcass weights, they're down 3 pounds last week to 957 pounds. That's 29 above year-ago levels. So at least we're headed in the right direction with dropping weights. Hog weights were down as well this week. Cattle weights down. Still, that's a big amount compared to year-ago levels. All right, good luck with the report today. And as always, reach out to us. We'd be glad to talk markets with you. This has been Brian Hoops, Midwest Market Solutions. Good luck and good trading today.